Does responsive web design play any role in sort of Internet of Things? Or is that more of a machine-to-machine communication, do you guys think?
In some sense it may, but I think primarily it might not, because the Internet of Things is more along the lines of a machine communicating to a machine. And there's no interaction with the user per se, but that's not to say that there won't be. In the cases that there will be, then sure, responsive design will play a role as a tool set for this. But when you have just a machine talking to a machine, it's just pure data.
I think when you're starting to talk about that, even, I mean, everything we've been talking about in terms of wearables and hitting these other devices as well, you're starting to talk more about the importance of structured content, having some sort of delivery, like an API or something like that, that you can build off of and send your data to all of these different places, which is not just a good strategy for Internet of Things, but a good strategy for any multi-device approach, really.
From a design strategy and architecture strategy, if you looked at just the responsive web design technology, you may question, hey, how applicable is that currently on Internet of Things? But if you look at responsive web design as a application architecture strategy that connects to RESTful services and data backends, I think it does come into play, because then you're taking the visualization piece out of it and exposing potentially some of those same services to Internet of Things devices.
That separation is something that's becoming more and more prominent these days. And it started with Web 2.0. You separate your presentation layer from your data, and that will come into even more of a play with the Internet of Things. Because most of the data will be behind the scenes, and what it needs to display is only what the user is interested in.